And another cool thing with Bluebeam Revu is that you can also edit the PDFs. So I'll scroll over here for an example. If I go to Edit and PDF Content, you can cut out content, you can erase content, you can select text, you can also edit the text from the document. So I can change this to test, and it will update the PDF directly instead of having to open it in a separate Word file and then re-saving it as the PDF. You can edit the PDF file. And when it comes to the search, this was text search. You also have a visual search. So for instance, if you have a drawing or something, some object you want to do a count of, you can do the visual search. So I can get the rectangle here, select the object I want to take the visual search, and you can also search filter it by color or rotation as well if you want. And I just press search, and on the top and bottom left corner it will give you a progress bar on yeah, how far it is. So it takes a couple of seconds, and it has now summed up all. I have now 13 results. I can select them and even highlight them as well. So you see those. So both text and visual search. When it comes to comparing documents, I can show an example of that. So I'll open up some sheets here with yeah, just the 2 different revisions, and it's simply just to find your PDFs and drag them in, and they will open up.